A customer emails your support inbox with a problem. If nobody replies for a day or two, you risk losing them. An email chatbot fixes that, answering instantly and looping in a human only when needed. In this video, I'll show you how to build one from scratch and deploy it live. Let's get into it. Log into your Wotnot dashboard and head to the bot builder. Click Build a Bot, select Build an Inbound Bot, and choose Email as your channel. Wotnot gives you ready-made templates here, but we'll build this one from scratch so you see exactly how the logic works. First, the trigger block. Connect it to the inbox you'll be using, so any incoming email triggers this bot. We'll connect that inbox later, during deployment. Right after the trigger, add an AI agent block. I'll rename it Support Agent, since that's the context for this build. First, write the prompt. Cover the agent's persona, tone, response style, and a guardrail to never confirm refunds, account changes, or order details not in the knowledge base. I've written an example here you can adapt. Right below that, set up one exit path. Name it Support Escalation. It should trigger when the customer describes a specific account or order issue the FAQ can't resolve, like my order hasn't arrived, or I was charged twice. Set the required variables to order number and issue summary. That gives your support team an actionable ticket, not a vague complaint. We don't need their email. That's already known from the sender address. One thing specific to email. On chat or SMS, the agent asks for details one at a time, since replies are instant. Email is slower, so we instruct the agent to ask for everything together in one message. Could you reply with your order number and a quick summary of the issue? One email out, one reply back. Finally, connect the AI agent block to a knowledge base. Upload your FAQs, policies, and troubleshooting steps, and it answers naturally from that instead of you scripting every question. Once the exit path fires, add a Google Sheets block, rename it Log Support Escalation, and map email, order number, and issue summary into a new row. Now support has everything to resolve it, not just an unread email. Add a message block, renamed Confirmation. Thanks. I've passed this along to our support team. They'll follow up shortly. That's the whole flow. It ends automatically after this sends. Now let's deploy this. Go to Settings, then Channels. Select Email, and click Email Configuration. Select Other as your provider. This works with Gmail, Outlook, or any custom domain. First, enter the email address you want this bot to monitor, and click Add Email. Next, Wotnot gives you a unique forwarding address. Copy it, go to your email provider's settings, and set up auto-forwarding to that address. This is the key step that lets Wotnot see incoming mail. Click Verify Forwarding. Wotnot sends a confirmation email, which can take a few minutes to show as verified. One more step, add a few DNS records for your domain. This lets the bot reply from your actual support email instead of an unfamiliar sender. Once verified, open your bot, go to the trigger block, and confirm it's set to your connected inbox. Click Deploy, toggle the bot on, it's live. Let's test it. I'll ask, what's your return window? There's the reply, straight from the knowledge base. Now, my order hasn't arrived and it's been 2 weeks. Notice it asks for order number and issue summary together in one reply. I answer once, it logs the escalation, and confirms our team will follow up. And that's a working email chatbot, live in minutes, no code required, answering real questions and handing your team an actionable ticket the moment something needs a person. This works for any business handling support emails, not just software. Try it free at wotnot.io and let me know what flow you want built next.